Hello everyone, and I have a good news for people who want to learn French. Our A1 level French course, which is going to start from 19th of July, is a certification course now. Yes, you heard it right. Our A1 level French course is a certification course now. That means after successfully completing this course, you will get the certificate from our institution, Pathways International Institute of Languages. And the best part of this course is it is 100% online. You can do this course, you can take the classes from anywhere now. Now you don't have to change your city in order to learn a foreign language. You can do this course, you can take the classes from your own place. You will also get the certificate at your own place. Now some people may have a doubt how we will get the certificate because we are going to do this course online. So we can provide you the certificate in two ways. The first way is a soft copy, which we will send you online. The second way is a hard copy, which we can also send you at your place wherever you stay. But for that, you have to send us your address so that we can send you the hard copy of that certification. Registration for this course has already started and so many seats have been filled till now. But still, you can take this opportunity because there are still some seats left now in our batches. So go and take this opportunity. There is a link in the description. Click on the link and enroll yourself right now before all the seats get filled. If you are watching this video on Instagram, so you will find that link in my bio. So see you soon in the batch.